board challenge. Me and Marshawn is gonna do a
No, Jack
challenge.
set the cat.
And okay, so today
I go first. I go first. They go cupcake. She don't like me in this video.
Hoverboard challenge.
No.
So
I can run. Look, I'm running. I dare me. We're gonna have a jump out challenge. Whoever fall out. Wait, whoever we gonna have to do this challenge. Whoever fall, whoever almost fall, lose.
you fall.
We doing. Come on,
This
guys.
is our
Look.
neighborhood. Our neighborhood look better than everybody
Hey, look.
else.
Yeah, you look.
Strive.
Hey, look. Y'all gotta go back this way.
Stop hitting me. I'm gonna get you on your YouTube out all day if you don't stop hitting me. I'm looking at you.
Back. Back and more. Back
Get
and
away.
more.
Get away.
Back and more. Back and more.
Oh.
Stop. Stop right here, then you gotta go back.
Ah! 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 Video shot. Work it, Marshawn. Work it. Woo! Okay, we're gonna end this YouTube right here. So that's all today we will be doing. So
No, it's yours, one of y'all turn.
okay, get me.
Who that?
That's it. It's my turn. No, it's my turn. Let me see.
Yeah, he that. It's Markiplier's turn. Look. I'm Markiplier's turn. Now you gotta go back. You gotta go. Come on. Come on, bro. Oh no. All right. Whoever. You gotta go back and forth 5 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. You're done. Good high. Alright, it's Cupcake turn. They got a cupcake, girl. You like cupcakes? Cupcakes, I mean. One leg. It's really a cupcake.
Okay.
She quit. She can't do it. She can't do it.
There she is.
Then she can't do it.
Okay.
Don't go out here.
Say hi.
Hi. What?
Oh, she's not ready.
2,
Stay right here. Stay right here. Stay right here.
4, 5. Come on. Alright, guys, that'll be it for today.
So thank you for watching the. Get on here. So always.
I'll see you in
The next video. Bye bye.